everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here with Twinchie Tuesday, hosted by Nicole Relax Cut and Glue. And here's mine for this week. I kind of went vintage with Timmy Holtz. So I used some vintage looking paper in the back that I had, and then I went and got these little Timmy Holtz things that we all have that half the time I don't know really what to do with. So, and this is what I came up with. So I got like these, oh, that one's coming off. Whoops, time to fix stuff, sorry. Ooh, definitely got a lot of glue there. Probably a little too much glue. There we go. Fixed. Alright. So, oh, even that. What the heck? I tell you, I think that I bought glue at the Dollar Tree, like these things, and they're not very good. So I'm gonna order some better glue. So I used those little vintage photos of his and some ephemera, and just put like she was herself again. It's a subject well worth considering, and in the photo, and favorite tales with the girls. Yes, my darling with a couple. Travelers and traveling. And then you got that one, the finger, little girl and a domino and tickets. And that's what that one looks like for this week. I'm having fun doing these. I don't know if I'm doing them right, wrong. If I'm balancing them okay, I don't know. But it's my book. I think it's looking pretty cool. So, I'm doing both sides too. So, and I will talk to y'all next week. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.